Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with the affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll show you this affiliate marketing program you can use and show you how you can be able to make money with it. If you are planning to make passive income or to make money online, this video is made for you. Without wasting time, let's get started. Now, as you see, I'm using my PC, and also when it comes to affiliate marketing, it always comes with or working with different affiliate marketing programs, and also we're gonna be earning commission depends on the sales we have made. What you need to always ensure is to understand which affiliate marketing program are you going to be joining, and also what kind of sales can you be able to generate. To be able to make money with this affiliate marketing program, what you have to do, you have to open your search and you go into your browser and search for Get Tour Guides. If you click on Get Tour Guides in your browser, you're gonna be getting this platform. As you can see, you can be able to read different details about this platform and what they do. As you can be able to see on this knowledge panel, this is the Bahrain-based startup online marketplace for travel activities. If you may be knowing about TripAdvisor and the other tour guide activities or tour guide platforms where they can be able to go and book the travel services, travel ticket and others, also this is the same. If I try to open it, you can see that there are different kind of information that can be guiding you to understand what they do, and also you can be able to see that there are different tickets, there are different listed tickets which talking about, you can see this one talking about how people can be able to book, and you see their pricings. So if you want to make money online, also it's all about coming with using any opportunity which is available online. For instance, this opportunity, if they have also listed these tickets for people to book, and also if you're going to be doing an affiliate marketing, it's up to you to invest your efforts and also build the audience so that you can be able to get customers who can be able to book these services. You can be able to ask yourself now, how can you be able to make money as an affiliate on this program? I have this platform, and also they have an affiliate marketing program. For instance, if I try to open this one, you can see this ticket is costing 159 euro per person. So if you try to open it, you can see they are also detailing more information about how you can be able to book. You can see it's a free cancellation. You can also be able to reserve now and pay later. You can see now the time, with the duration for 80 hours, and also there are some reviews that people have left about this ticket, and also they might have visited these places, and also you can see they posted different photos. If you have looked into TripAdvisor or Vieta, that is also working the same way. You can see that they have different kind of, you can see kind of scenario of how this travel is gonna be held on. You can see the availability 10. You can see now what we are mainly looking is also how we can be able to make money with this service. For instance, let's consider this ticket which is costing 159 USD, and also let's try to understand how much money you can be able to make if we want to do an affiliate marketing on this platform. What you have to do is to come here to the bottom. We have to scroll down to the bottom and also click on as an affiliate partner. If I click on this link which is called as an affiliate partner, I'm gonna immediately direct to the affiliate marketing partner. You can see now, let me click there. It is gonna be opening now the affiliate marketing platform. So it's partner.getyourguide.com. So now what you can see, they are start saying that you monetize your travel content is Get Your Guide. what I need to do, you can see that you can be able to earn 8% commission for any sale you have made, which is going to be paid also monthly. That is a great advantage of making money. And also here is an example of travel writers who they work with, and their traffic which can be able to get this amount of money. For instance, if you can be able to get 170 clicks, you can be able to earn USD 60 per month. And also if you can be able to get 60,500 clicks to get your guide, you can be able to earn 2,300 USD per month. And also remember that you always earn money as in affiliate marketing, depends on the qualifying sales, which means you always, even though you are getting clicks, but you always have to work to ensure that people are also coming to your platform, also getting interested to the links you have shared, and also fulfill the payment to this platform. Once they pay, that is where you're going to be earning 8% commission of the sale that is made. For instance, if we take 159 ELO, so let's for instance divide it and see how much money you can be able to earn. If we divide 159 ELO and divide it by 8%, we're gonna be getting, for instance, if we multiply it by 8 and divide it by 100, we're gonna be getting around 13 USD. So this is a big amount of money for one ticket or for one sale, which can be having a free period. So now if you want to be getting started to this platform, you need to sign up, and also sign up is easy. What you have to do is to come and click on this link. You can see this is a sign up. So now what I have to click is to click on this sign up. So let me click on it now and see, can you get different details. Here what you have to fill is your email, password, following this rule, and also you enter the password, then you click sign up. Once you're done, also you will be waiting for the feedback from the team, and also once you are accepted into the program, you can now enjoy start getting to earn money. And also once you are rejected, they will be also informing you there's only you are rejected, and you might be applying for the next time to ensure that you qualify with also this affiliate marketing program. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on notification button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Nomax TV.